Before we kick off with today's video, it would be very appreciative if you guys could take the time to check out My Castles and Company at supply.drive on Instagram. Give us a follow, give us a message. If you're in the market for a new car, please don't hesitate to get in contact with us. You know I'll look after my YouTube family. YouTube, what is going on? Views of LB back again with another video, and today we've got something slightly different. The reason I say slightly different is because all the time at Supply Drive we are delivering cars, collecting cars for our clients. But today our client's not only taking delivery of his brand new Polo R line, he is also getting the keys to his new flat. So he is a good friend of mine, so I thought, you know what, I'll take you on the journey. So we're currently sitting in Supply Drive HQ. Let me know down in the comments if you want a tour of that. I know you guys have already met Reggie as he was in the M4 competition video. Make sure you check that out if you haven't already. We'll also introduce you to my other colleague James. And yeah, if you want to see some, as I said, office tour and some more videos in the office, just seeing what we get up to on a day-to-day basis, then head over to the comments, let me know, and let's get cracking. But yeah, Reese is currently in Birmingham now, picking up his brand new R-Line. He's going to drive back down to us, and then we're going to jump in the car with him, and then we're going to help him move some stuff into his new flat. So yeah, enjoy the ride. So the Polo R-Line's landed from Birmingham with its new owner. Ladies and gentlemen, what's the Insta?
@1Reese.
@1Reese.
Don't forget.
So yeah, as I said earlier, he's picked up his car today, and we're also going getting the flat. But when I say getting the flat, he's moving into the flat today. It's been a long time coming, innit?
It has, man. It's been a while.
So yeah, we're gonna head up there now. Well, we're gonna go to your old place.
Yep.
And
get some stuff. That's in East Ham.
Yeah.
Going to get some bits. Taking it to Colchester.
Out into Essex, into the sticks.
That's it, man.
So yeah, we're gonna go grab that now. Then we're gonna head up there. So look, day in the life. We don't only source cars, we source houses now. But yeah, let's go. New car, new flat, same day.
Two birds, one stone.
How'd this happen then?
So, obviously, got on the blower to you Monday. Said, Lou, I need a car.
What does blower mean? For our
mobile telephone.
Yeah? Alright, yeah.
Yeah, handheld. Said I need a car. Got it sorted. Said it's coming Friday. Said I'm busy Friday. He worked it out for me. Got me a good little time slot. Well, got me an alright time slot. And here we are.
Because you don't like getting up early?
I'll get up earlier than you.
Alright.
You've never ever once got up earlier than me. When I ring you in the morning when I'm on the way to work and you do not answer. You're such a liar. But
yeah, so the flat.
You lie to your fans.
The flat. I don't have fans. We're not that big time, bro. I get like 3 views.
Alright, that's fair enough then.
Old channel though, that was beautiful. Well, but yeah, flat. How did that come about?
When did we go see that? November?
Yeah,
end of November.
Back from Sweden.
End of November. Come back from Sweden. End of November. Went to see a flat.
2020.
Went through the motions and that, back and forth because I was doing it on my own.
And for those of you who've bought a place before, I mean, I haven't, but he can vouch for it.
It is the most stressful thing I've ever done in my life.
Yeah, more stressful than a car. I mean, listen, if I could get into the property game and help you lot, honestly, it would be easy. But
I was reviewing it. I was like searching online when I was doing it. Statistically, it is as stressful as losing a parent, apparently. And I obviously I don't want to know what that feels like, but it was bad. It is stressful.
I'm not exactly going to say those of you who lost a parent. Let me know in the comments below, am I?
No, obviously not. But I'm saying when you work it out, it's bad. It is stressful.
Well, what do you see that on Wiki?
You know, Google.
Wiki.com, bro.
Do a quick Google search. And then there you go.
I don't agree with that.
No, well, there's no way for you to know, is there?
Right, fair enough.
Yeah, well, take my word for it.
I can't see how it's possible, but yeah.
But yeah, it was bad. And then tons of rejection. Went to certain places, no, kept getting no, kept getting told no. And I thought, oh, this it's just not meant to be.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because...
And then things took a turn, and then...
Turn for the better.
Yeah, got the ball rolling, and here we are.
Yeah.
Got my keys today.
This is a young lad as well.
Well,
by the
young,
way, yeah?
24.
Yeah, well,
young.
24.
I've got grey hair.
Yeah, but 24.
Why do you think I wear a hat?
24 getting a place in current circumstances is hard.
Yeah,
yeah, people. I think the average age to move out is gone a lot higher.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah, so it must be like 28, 29 plus.
Yeah, I reckon it's pushing 30.
100%.
Especially in London, living in London, trying to move.
The impossible.
Just that becomes possible.
Give us an impossible.
Impossible. What are you asking me?
What are you asking me?
Impossible, huh?
Shit.
Improbable, not impossible.
Fair enough. But what's the plan now then? What we
So the plan now,
East Ham, as you said earlier.
going back to East Ham.
The old gaff.
Getting some bits. I've got everything in my shed at home. Tons of IKEA bags. Gonna bring that to the flat.
Cram in the new polo.
The
seats folded down.
I don't know how that's gonna happen.
Are we meeting Kieran? Yeah.
Do you wanna?
If he comes.
Yeah, if he comes.
He told him he's got to bring his own motor. I'm gonna fill his motor to the brim. So he was. If you go on my Instagram.
He's gonna have to bring some grub.
Yeah, he's gonna have to. If you go on my Instagram, scroll down, you'll see a Golf R-Line in grey. That's Kieran. You'll probably see him on a vlog if he comes.
Nice car.
But yeah, he'll come.
I wanted that, but you didn't want to give me the best deal, so.
Those of you.
Like, you didn't want to give me the deal that you gave him, so obviously now I know.
Fair enough.
Now I know who the favourite is.
I don't have favourites. They're both clients. I treat all my clients even.
Client? Alright. Alright, cool.
You was a friend?
I remember you said that, innit?
And now you're a client. Now you're a friendly client. Yeah?
Yeah, alright, yeah.
Don't mix pleasure
with business. Don't make money where you make honey.
We don't make honey, mate.
No, yeah, you're right. Get rid.
Oh, Jesus Christ! So basically, good job he's got gap insurance because we nearly writ off the cash guy. Oh, that would have been funny. At least you can't crash your house.
No, there you go.
Jesus Christ.
Man.
So we're gonna get some bits, take it out, put it in the flat.
Go home. It's gonna be a late one though.
Yeah,
don't
but
rush me.
You can't sleep in there tonight because you ain't got your bed.
No, what do you want me to sleep on the
So
floor?
what was that magical, mysterious thought process that you had behind ordering furniture?
So I'm superstitious, so I wouldn't order anything till I got the keys. Now I've got the keys, I'm gonna go there, do my measurements.
You got a tape measure?
Nah. It's bad, isn't it? So I'm gonna do that, and then we'll get the ball rolling tonight. Something could be ordered tonight, but whether or not
we're gonna sit there. I've brought my laptop. You got no Wi-Fi. You don't have the hotspot. You got Wi-Fi?
Nah.
A whole hotspot. You got sockets.
Yeah.
Charger. You got a socket for the charger.
Everything's done. Everything's done. Except for the Wi-Fi, the Sky, the bed, the telly, the sofa.
Are we alright to give the fans a tour when we
the
get there?
The fridge works. Yeah, why not?
Yeah, you gonna host it, yeah?
No, I ain't doing that.
No, you can host it. We're gonna do MTV Cribs. We're gonna get to the door.
There's nothing to show.
We're gonna open it. And
it's the corridor, it's the kitchen, it's the bedroom.
Yeah, but listen, you guys are gonna want to see it. And again, let me know in the comments below.
Alright,
if you did want to see it, and before we actually show you it, just so I know, innit? I don't know how to get all technical, but the poles in it.
Huh?
The poles, like 30% of people wanted to see Reese's flat.
Who said that?
No, but I can do that.
Oh yeah,
I see people do that, but I can't do that. That's
but you're gonna upload. Everyone's gonna say no, and it's already gonna be uploaded.
Yeah,
take that down.
F them. But anyway, guys, we're in a lot of traffic, so when we get the stuff crammed in the car, we'll tune back in on the way to New Gaff.
Oh,
that's right. Luke will beep it out. Luke, if you're watching this, beep it out. Let me know in the comments what you thought he said. Anyway, in a bit. So we've officially landed. The boy is on the way in. How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling good, man.
You feeling what?
The door is unlocked.
Let's go.
Oh, help me.
Look, we've got you. You're in.
Oh, everything's a pull door, isn't it?
Yeah, well, don't be a push, do you? If it was a push, you'd be complaining. Don't scratch up all
Please,
the
I've
balls.
got 2 bags and you're holding the camera.
Alright, you're going to thank me when you're watching it later.
Shoes off, by the way.
You don't have to tell me twice.
Let's hope I can get this first time. Double lock.
Stop smiling, look at you.
I ain't smiling.
You're smiling.
Why are you doing this to me? Who is it?
It's Lewis, Fuse of LB.
Sorry, no drivers witnesses.
Oi!
Shoes off. They off. Good lad.
No shoes to take off.
Good lad. Good lad.
MTV Crips?
Well, something like that. Essex Crips.
So where are we going first?
Kitchen.
Is this your gaff?
Nah, rent.
Hey. Talk us through it, mate.
Right, so got the little kitchen area here.
Yeah.
That's going to be for a dining table or something like this.
Around here, yeah?
We've got the old fridge in that. Nothing in it yet.
What's the and that?
What's what?
What's the and that?
Oh, fridge in that.
You said fridge and that?
Fridge freezer.
Alright, so the and that's the freezer.
Right, yeah. So that's my little welcome package.
Yeah.
This is this is the cooker. Got a dishwasher there, washing machine, and then this hot top there, pool table. Well, don't have the telly, do we? Entertainment something.
Really?
So coming through, just got a little standard little corridor. First bathroom in there.
Oh, that's lovely.
Not bad, is it?
Tell us about the specs. Tell us about the specs.
Oh, it's premium plus, isn't it?
Lovely, this, isn't it? New camera, or you eat?
Yeah, it's looking good, man.
Leaving the doors and lights open, yeah?
Yeah, go on, do what you got to do.
So what is this? Talk to me.
Oh,
Whoa.
fuck, mate. This is
Swore again.
this is the spare room. If you're a bit tall, you might want to watch that bit.
Cool.
I've got,
We ain't got that problem.
I mean, I ain't got that problem, so.
A few of your birds
This
do,
is
yeah?
this is the spare. This is probably where you'll shack up when you stay.
Yeah.
Well, if you stay, that is.
Oh, mate. I'm too busy for that, making
Yeah.
YouTube videos.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. YouTube videos are getting no views.
Quality content.
And this is where the magic happens.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold up. What's
Whoa.
this? Can't miss the door. You have to
An
show
airing
me.
cupboard.
Everybody loves an
That's
airing
it.
cupboard. What's the
Right, there's a
what's the
6
square
there.
cubic root foot?
I don't need to know that, do I? Let's be honest. Got some copper pipes there.
Right.
This is the master bedroom.
Who's the master then?
Well, fucking say no more, innit? Don't need to be said, does it?
Oh, that's lovely.
This is my little ensuite, which I'm going to be christening later.
Those of you who know Reese know this house or place, flat, is not going to stay in this condition for 2 weeks.
I'll get a cleaner, no problem.
The cleaner, you need a freaking builder. Oh, this perfect
This is
setup.
my little wardrobe space.
Nah,
To
mate.
have a little
Right.
walk in.
Wardrobes, yeah, fair enough.
I'll get some units there.
Yeah.
Units there. I'll get a big F-off mirror here,
Yeah.
so I can do my catwalk
Mate,
modelling.
me
and that.
personally, mate.
What?
What modelling? You didn't tell me about that.
No, I will just do my catwalking and that. Do you know what I mean?
Fair enough. But me personally,
Go on.
setup.
What?
I'd have a little setup there.
Where did I put my clothes?
Don't need clothes.
I ain't that good at gaming.
You don't need to leave your house.
I ain't
in.
that good at gaming. And
Oh,
then
this is
this.
lovely.
This is the main little bedroom space. Got your light controls there. Oh no. What was that? Hold on. Oh, this. Alright, so them two do the side ones.
Yeah.
And I'll take it. Wait, no. Yeah, so them two do the side ones. I'll take it one of these. Oh, what the? What's going on here? This one. Lefty, the
Yeah.
lucky lefty does the main one. This does the others.
Makes sense.
What's this do?
Ooh.
Right, so this does the little corridor bit there.
Alright.
And then that, as we say, is the Tour de France.
But we're not in front.
Tour de Gaff.
For the gaff.
Oh, let me turn them like
Firstly, I'd like to apologise
Hold on, can
for.
I turn these off? Because these.
I'm trying to give them a formal apology for why I talk like you when I'm with you.
Why?
Because they,
What do you
used-
mean?
they used to use of LB talking normally, and you're just ruining it.
So you're ruining it.
Ruining it.
Oh man, you're just ruining it. Look at my lips. You're ruining it. Ruining the.
Sometimes you got to adapt, don't you?
Oh, this is good. This is. Back in my day, I'd grab one of these. I'll tell you
hold
that.
up. So this. Can't get a call for. I'm thinking that. Let's see who's at the front.
Yeah.
Boy, no one at the
Any of
minute.
you stalkers, all
You
my,
won't go out.
all my hundreds of thousands and
You won't
trillions of
say hello.
fans come to stalk old Reese boy. One
I don't know what
Reese.
this does though. At One Reese Instagram, don't forget that. And then password verification. I ain't set none of that up yet, so I ain't got a screen.
You never are. You never are going to say you are. So back to, this is where I see you living.
Dartboard?
No, but whose face you putting on there?
Huh?
Whose face you putting on there?
I can't say that on camera.
Oh. But yeah, I think this is where we're going to be spending most of our time. Are you up for doing more videos, yeah? Because if you are,
I
think we're gonna
my face looks good, if I'm honest.
it never looks good, so.
No.
Well, no, it's good to.
I'm looking a bit round around the cheeks, if I'm honest.
Yeah, because you've been doing sunburns, haven't you? I don't actually know if they can hear you from over there. I mean, you talk like.
Hello.
Right, munching head.
Hold up.
These radiators are.
Did you open them?
No.
I didn't open them.
What do you mean?
Mum's I didn't open them.
No, you're doing a prank.
My life I did. Somebody call 911! Oh, why you gotta do that, man?
You did, but it's the
I leave one open, innit? That's a bit weird though. I don't know why that's open. It's fucking.
You reckon Valak live near you?
Hey, chill, because I will. Chill. Not a joke, man.
It's not a joke. Oi, this is nice. Look, let me go back to this radiators before I got interrupted by.
Oh, yeah,
Look at that, bruv.
oh, well.
Looks like a freaking flat screen TV. What?
It's giving me a remote control from somewhere.
For what? The radiators?
Yeah.
I have a laugh. I don't believe you.
Yeah.
This sink is small. You're going to fit one dish in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Give me a demonstration.
I don't know what it does. I ain't set it up yet.
You sure that's not for the speaker system?
I wish.
So does it feel real or does it feel real?
So, when I come here earlier, like, I was literally like, this is not mine. Like, it doesn't feel like mine. Obviously it will with time, but it's still mad. It's still mad at the minute.
Still mad,
I'm a bit restless as well.
But anyway, this is now the surprise. Reese don't even know about this. So he's throwing a little like welcoming party. Obviously all COVID guideline friendly.
Right.
Stuff like that. But he's giving away free invites to my subscribers.
No, I'm not.
So 3 lucky subscribers.
Reese didn't know about it because it ain't happening.
3 lucky subscribers. Comment below if you want to come to this party and you'll all be put into a hat. This exact hat.
No,
and we'll
that's
draw you out.
not
And you come
fucking around.
to meet new people. My subscribers are like they're quality.
Right, I'll pick him, yeah?
Yeah, you can have a look at their pictures and that. You need to send them to what pictures? What else do you want?
Last 3 months bank statements.
Oh,
And you know.
right, I'm going anyway. It's been Views of LB. That's been at One Reese. See you at the welcoming party.